The Excel Annual Sales Report Worksheet has functions that help to monitor sales data collection information, and thus collaborate in the manipulation of excess information, gathering and organizing it in an easy-to-view way, allowing better management and help in managing decisions in important events. Aiming at the difficulty of organizing a report, especially organizing it annually, by the complexity, may commit errors in calculations and generating a bad organization and bad management. However, this spreadsheet is being made available and will help significantly to monitor sales, enabling visualization of errors, and preventing future failures. This was our annual sales report worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.